33-year-old woman gone missing in St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 33-year-old Savannah Corey of Abbeville Avenue, Duhaney Park in St. Andrew has been missing since Tuesday, November the 5th. She is of brown complexion, medium build, and about 167 centimeters or 5 feet 6 inches tall. Reports from the Duhaney Park Police are that at around 6 p.m., Corey was last seen at home wearing a back sleeve blouse and black jeans. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Savannah Corey is being asked to contact the Duhaney Park Police at 876-933-4280, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.